Hey guys, I'm Sanjeev. In this video, I'll show you how to use custom format. Watch till the end and learn custom format cell. When we format cell in Excel, we changing the appearance of a number without changing the number itself. We can apply number format or other formatting alignment, font, border, etc. By default, Excel use the general format. Let's take an example. Enter any random value. By default, it is general format. Convert into currency, go to format cell, currency, and that's it. General, the default number format that Excel apply when you type a number, and number used for the general display of number, currency used for general monitoring value and display the number, accounting also used for the monitoring value, but it's align the currency symbol and decimal point of a number in column. Date, display date and time serial number as a date value according to the type and local. Time, display date and time serial number as a time. Percentage, multiply the cell by 100 and display the percentage symbol. Text, display a number exponential notation replacing part of the number. And custom, allow you to modify, copy an existing number format code. And especially you display number as postal code, phone number or social security. Our main focus to how to teach you custom format. Single M means month number without leading zero. When we type two times M, month number with leading zero, it's represent 02, and type three times M, month name short form. When we type four times M, it's month name full form, and when we type five times M, month name as the first letter, same as it is for day. D, single D, it's day number without a leading zero. 2 times D, it's 2 times the day number with a leading zero, and 3 times D, day of the week short form, and 4 times D, day of the week full form. 2 times Y, last two digits of the year, and 4 times Y, last four digits, and single H, hours without a leading zero, 2 times H, hours with a leading zero. Single S, leading second with a leading zero, SS, second with a leading zero. Before applying M or MM, for minute, we should do immediately after HH before SS. Excel will display minute instead of month. Let's take an example. Start with date format. Along with number, date and time are the most common data type people use in Excel. All dates are stored as integer representing the number of the days. If I type 1 it, and convert into date, it's appears 0101 1900. Single D, it's mean today. Let's take some example. Press Ctrl semicolon for current date. Right click, go to format cell, go to custom and types only single D for days. When we change the day like 02, it's represent only 2 without leading 0. Same as it is for 2 times D. Then right click, go to format cell, go to custom and type 2 times D with leading 0. Same it is as it is when we change the date 02, it's represent 02. 3 times D for day of the week with short form. Control semicolon, right click, go to format cell and type 3 times D. Same control semicolon, go to format cell, go to custom and type 4 times D for month. Same as it is for month. Right click, go to format cell and type single M. Same custom format, type 2 times M and represent 02 with leading 0. And when we type 3 times, no, the short form of the month, it will display short form of the month. Go to custom, type 3 times M, and when we type 4 times M, it display full form of the month. Let's take an example. Control semicolon 4 current date, format cell, custom format, and type 4 times M. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times M represent the first letter of the month. So format cell, go to custom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. 2 times why last 2 digit of the year. Let's take an example. Right click, format cell, custom, and 2 times YY. Same as it is for, go to format cell, custom, and 4 times YY. So let's take real example. Suppose that you want to display a date which is different. Like suppose that you want to display like Saturday first, then month with short form like Feb. Then you want to display year like 21, and then you display day, it's 27. So what we do for this, first first is day. What is the day? It's full form of the day. When we use full form of the day, so what we use a code in custom format, definitely we use 4 times d, 4 times d, 1 2 3 4, and we need to add some comma, so we add comma, then fab. Where is the fab? What is the code? 3 times am for month, 1 2 3, and then hyphen, and year last 2 digits, then we use yy. For day with leading 0, we use 2 times d, and without leading 0 we use single d, so we use 2 times d. Let's convert date into this format. So right click, go to format cell, go to custom, and type d comma m hyphen y d, and then enter. There you go. Let's take another example. We take some day like 27, then comma, then use February for month, then year 2000. We use now single quote 2021, then day of the week like Saturday. First of all, we make a code 27 means dd, comma, February it's mean full form of the month, we use 4 times m, then single quotes, and 4 times yy, 4 digit of the year, comma, then 4 times d for full form of the Saturday, full form of the day. So let's go to the right click, go to format cell, go to custom format, and now type dd, comma, 4 times m, comma, sorry, single quotes, yy, comma, d, then enter. Let's go. Let's learn about time in Excel. Time are stored in Excel at decimal between dot 0 and dot 9999. That represent a proportion of the day where dot 0 is 00 colon 00 colon 0 and dot 999 is 1 left 12 p.m. For example, H. Display the R as a number without relating 0. Square H elapsed time in hours. If you are working with a formula that returns a time where the number of hours exceed 24, use a number format similar to H square H colon colon SS. Same as it is 2 times H, display the hours as a number with a leading 0, and display the number as a number without a leading 0. Square elapsed time in a minutes. When we use 2 times display the number as a number with a leading 0. Single S display the second as a number without, and 2 times S display the second as a number with a leading 0. Let's take an example. Single H, let's take control shift semicolon, it's represent time 0.2 for second. Right click, go to format cell, custom, and type single H. Same as it is for 2 times H. Control shift, control shift semicolon, type 0 2, sorry, 1, and right click, go to format cell, go to custom, and type 2 times H for leading. S for second, 2 times S for lead with second with leading 0. Copy, paste, and paste. Right click, go to format cell, custom, and type single S without leading 0. 2 times S with leading 0. Before applying M or M for time, or should do also immediately after HH before SS. Excel will display minutes instead of month. So we need, let's take an example. Control shift enter, and we highlighted hours and month, and add some second for 50 second, AM, and we need to display only hours and second. Right click, go to format cell, and go to HH and MM. We type manually, that's why it is not showing. So let's take another example. Control semicolon, go to and press Control 1. It is shortcut of the format cell. Go to time, convert into long time, so that we can easily convert into, and right click, go to format cell, custom, and HHMM. Now it's convert into hours and time. How to use text placeholder in Excel? Let's take an example. We need to add the rate symbols in code into the code, and if you want to write a text uh, after the user enter value, so we need to add into the code first, add, then text, and 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 we want to add text before the user value, so we need to add text double and at the rate, and we want to add suffix and prefix both within a value, so we need to add text at the rate, then text. Let's take a real example. Suppose we want to add Mr. John. Whenever user type John, it will convert into Mr. So let's go to the format cell, go to the custom, type Mr. then dot and at the rate symbol. It's Mr. Call, and we want to add some suffix before the text, so we need to add at the rate first then text. So let's take an example like Kelly is a scientist. We want to add is, so go to format cell, custom, type at the rate symbol space, then type sentence whatever you want to display. So I type John here. John is a scientist, automatic appear. And many times sometimes we need to show the number in unit of the measure, of example kg, lb and kms and liters. So how can we do that? We need to add 0 before 0 and after the text whatever you want. Let's take a random number. I want to show into liter. Right click, go to format cell, go to custom and type 0 and liter. It will display as a liter. Sometimes we display like INR, tan and rupees. Let's take an example. So type 10, right click, go to format cell, custom, type INR, then 0, double quotes, then type rupees, sorry, INR, 0, then rupees. So INR 10 rupees. Many times we might have large number in an Excel report and it is a hard to decipher and read the number at one glance. The best way is to show the number in thousand or million. Say a number like 45 to 11111. It's it is very hard to display, but it is a 45.2 million. But before we more forward, it is important to know that certain character in custom formatting have specific meaning, like 0 display insignificant 0, and the pound sign display significant 0, and 1 comma for 1000 and 2 commas for million. Let's take an example. Type 1000 and we want to display as a 1000. Go to format cell, custom, we need to add 0 comma for 1000 and separate and type as a 1000. it's 1000, correct? And we want to add some millions. So go to format cell, go to custom and type 0 1 2 2 comma 4 millions, type million, it's 1 million. Okay, number format for color. Excel provide basic support for color in custom number formats. Color names must appear in bracket. For example, like 0 red is appear as 0. Let's take an example. Type 100 and right click, go to format cell, custom, and type 0 0 for number, whatever it is, or whatever will positive, bracket, type red, close bracket, 0, then enter. And when we type -1, it's appear red. We use blue and red, green and red as well. Now move forward to conditional. You can use conditional to suppose that we want to add, whenever we type 1, it's appear day, it's appear day, and when we type 2, it's appear 2 days. So how can we do this with custom format? So we need to add some parameters like right click, go to format cell, custom format, type square bracket. We can use less than equal to both. Suppose that now we use less than, because when we use less than, so 0 it's also convert a day, and when we do not use and when we use equal, so it's uh, appear 0 as a days, it's a plural. So now 1 bracket, type 0 double quotes, days, day, semicolon, 0 and days. Here's the go, 0 it's days, 12 it's days, 2 it's the dates. Wow, that's great. Now moving to some like pass, failed, and whatever we want to add, we can use conditional. So let's take an example, custom. Suppose that we want to add some, if the score greater than equal to 33, then it will appear passed, else we comma semicolon and passed, failed, sorry, failed. So sorry for typo error. uh, when we type 2, it's failed. When we type 150, it's passed. And we can also display dynamically. Suppose that there is a number with 1,000 and millions and billion. So how can we do this? So suppose that this is 1,000, okay, and when we type 1 million, it's appear 1 million without changing the format. So right click, go to the format cell, custom format, go to the general, square bracket, greater than equal to 1 million, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 0 dot 0 for decimal places, 2 times for million, semicolon, bracket equals to 1000, bracket close, then 0 dot 0 for decimal places, then type k, and other 0 for which is less than 1000. I use comma instead of semicolon, then enter. It's 100k. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we add one more zero, it's appear 1 million. When we remove, it's not displaying because it's less than 1000. When we add, it's appear, it's outstanding. Thank you for watching my video. For more video, please subscribe my channel.